Hello everyone, welcome to Math 0110 Fall 2020. My name is Asghar Gurbanpour and I am the instructor of the course. In this video, we will go through the details of course outline and cover the important points about the course. There will be another important video, which is a tour on our page. And these will be two beginning videos that you have to watch to be able to start the course. Now, let me start with what I have prepared for you here. Um, yes, the official name of the course is Math 0110, and the title is Introductory Calculus. There are two sections in this course, section 001 from the main campus and section 530 from the Brescia University College. The course is an online course. It is asynchronous, designed as an asynchronous course, meaning that you don't need to be at any specific time present online or in any class. Other than just three things: midterms, final exam, and sometimes review session. These are the only three components that will occur at the specific time and date. Well, if we are not going to be in a specific place, how the lectures will be given? Well, they are going to be in the form of videos, and together with other stuff, other content for the course that will be posted on the OWL page of the course. And the plan is that every week, the material of every week will be posted on the Wednesday of that week. We start from Wednesday and we will go on with Wednesdays, meaning that every Wednesday by noon, you will see a new tab on the OWL page appearing there saying that, okay, this is week 2 or week 3, week 4. And then you can go in and you will see each week has 4 units and cover the material. The details of these things will be covered on the OWL tour in the other video. Okay, the test exams, we have 2 midterm tests and 1 final exam. Everything will run online through our web page, and we will use the online proctoring system called ProctorTrack. So the details of how this works and what you need to do will come later in the term, probably in the 3rd week or so. But that's a system that we have to use for this course. And while on office hours will also run online through the Zoom meeting. And I already set up office hours Mondays to Thursdays every day, 11 a.m. to 12:30. And note that these times are London, Ontario local time, which is, I believe, EDT for now. So Eastern Daylight and time, something like that. So you have to be careful. If you're not here in London, you have to set up all your times as EDT when you see it somewhere online or on the course page. Okay, so these are the general information for the class. How about the textbook? Well, for the textbook, we have this custom text, which is designed for several courses, including 0110 course. And we will only use 4 chapters of this course. It has ebook version available, so you can go to the Western bookstore and buy it from there. It also has a student solution manual, which is somehow good when you are doing the suggested exercises from the book. When you stuck and you don't have someone to help you right away, you can check that and again put it aside. Don't look at it again until you stop and go back and check. So there will be two things you can prepare. The first one is the main text. The second one is the student solution manual. The links are provided on the our page and on the course outline. If you go to the bookstore, you will see something like that, and then you can buy it from there. So what are we going to learn? And as I said before, there are 4 chapters that we will cover. Chapter 1 is review, what are the functions, and then limit and continuity will be 2 main things for this chapter. Chapter 2 and the Appendix B is about differentiation. What is the definition of derivative? What are the rules of differentiation? And different things like higher derivatives and implicit differentiation and related rates. When we're done with the differentiation, we will go to the applications of the derivatives. 2 main things will be covered there. One is the curve sketching, which will include maxima, minima, concavity, all those things, and optimization. So these are 2 main things. There will be more and more details on that one, applications of derivative. And the chapter 4, which we will cover before chapter 3, is about the exponential and logarithmic of functions. We will start with the definition, properties, and build up on that and see how everything works when we go to the derivative of these functions and so on. So these are 4 things: limit, differentiation, applications, and exponential and logarithmic functions. How about the grades? We have several components to compute the final grade. The first one is in-unit question. These are kind of attendance mark. We will have about 70 to 80 in-unit questions in the course. So these are the questions that will appear on each unit after you see the videos. You will find these blue boxes at the bottom of the page for each unit. These have 2 functionality. One is that, okay, just checks the quick things right after you watch the videos. These are good sources just to make sure that you have got the idea correctly and you can do what you're supposed to do. So when you watch, you take your notes, you learn things, go and look at the in-unit questions. These questions, other than just quick check of the material covered before, has another functionality also. If you don't answer these questions, the next units won't be available to you. So by answering these questions, not only you're just basically submitting something to be marked, which by the way, will tell you right away, you did it right or wrong, and it will show you the solution actually, right after you submit. After that you submit those questions in each unit, you will see that the next unit is now available. So that's the second functionality. It's kind of checks that you have done enough work to move to the next unit. All together, all will be equally marked, and then you will get 5% of your final course for this, final grade for this. Online quizzes, we will have 6 to 7 online quizzes. It will run an hour. You will receive the schedule for these ones. I'm waiting for the confirmation of registrar office for the test midterm test dates. But based on that, we will have quizzes which are all multiple choice, and you will have about a week to complete those ones and submit them. Written assignment, we have 3 written assignments, and I will tell you when it is time how to submit these ones, because there is no in-class or hard copy submission. You have to do it online through a system or another website called Gradescope. You can see a tab for Gradescope in our website. And then they will be marked over there and will be returned to you based on when they are marked and complete. There will be 2 midterms, again online, each one worth of 20% of the final, and the final exam will be 30%. All tests, all exams will be proctored online by a system called ProctorTrack. Again, you will hear more about ProctorTrack about the third week or the 4th week. And when you have everything set up, then you have to go and do the exams. For the ProctorTrack, we need some technological requirements, such as you need to have a microphone, webcam, and good internet. So check the course outline to see what are the technological requirements for the course, and you need to be prepared for those ones. Okay, so these are the grades. So what do you need to do? Well, the first thing is to know the OWL page, the structure in which the materials are going to be posted or organized in this OWL page. The OWL pages for each course are designed different ways. So you have to spend time on each one of these ones to learn how to work based on the course. The second thing is that what we're not going to do to go to the class, and you're not going to receive videos like this from me. So the information about the course, like deadlines, what is going on, and when you have to do something, all will be posted on our web page. You have to be able to find those ones, locate those ones, and follow those when you're required to do some action. Watch videos, that's basically coming to the class, yes. Watch videos regularly, like every week we will have a bunch of those material posted, videos posted, so you have to go through those and cover different things very regularly. Completing unit questions, well, that's the only way you will find access to the course material in the next weeks. Quizzes, tests, exams, obviously you have to take them. And don't forget the suggested problems, the homeworks. These are very important, and these are bare minimum that you have to be able to do it yourself at home. And well, submit the assignments. The suggested problems are not for handing in. Those are just for you, and you will be able to find the solutions for those ones in the student solution manual. But the assignments will be some others, will come from other sources, and you won't have access to solutions, so you have to do them yourself. So these are what you need to do for the course. How to get help. Well, when you do a component and you notice that there is something missing somewhere, the first source is that go back, watch the videos again. Then, well, if that doesn't help, post your question on forum, please. This is very important. So if you post your question on a forum related section, so I have a question from section 1.1 or in general from chapter 1, post a question and there will be someone to answer it, hopefully in a day or two. Even you can answer your friends' questions. So this way, you will get answer to some of your questions. If that doesn't work, well, sign up for an office hour meeting. So office hour meetings can be signed up by a sign up tool on OWL. As I said before, Monday to Thursday, every day 11 to 12:30, you have to first sign up, then come to a Zoom meeting at that time. And well, if that doesn't work for you, you cannot attend those office hours, email me and we will find the time to meet and go through your concern. There will be something else which will be hopefully or start running very soon. It's math departmental help centers. These are very nice help centers, and you can get help from very good grad students about your questions and concerns. Yes, and that's what I wanted to cover in this video. Have a great fall term, specifically Math 0110.